Hey everybody, Shop Time of Day back at you. Well, with plow day coming up, I think it's about time we try to finish out some Bork Mandrels. Let's see what we can do. Here's our blank. Throw it in the chuck. Can't see very good that way. Let's run it dry. See what this center drill does for us. Well, that worked. Let's drill it. It's a letter F. Tap drill size for a 5/16 18. Let's tap it. Perfect. Now we're at the mill. We need to put a wrench hex on here. So here's the setup. Got this little fixture, 6 sides. We got a stop here. Slide it into the vise. Real gently up against the stop right here. Lock our vise down. Motor on. Crank it in. Then bump the tripod. Slide it out, rotate it. Real gently, we slide up against the stop again. Six-sided. Release. And there we have it. Just needs a quick little deburr. Just a few seconds on the bench grinder to deburr it, and that's what we got. Alright, that's going to wrap us up for this little video. I'll make the little clamping washers off the camera, pop them on there, and these will be available at the Eastern Minnesota YouTubers Plow Day over Memorial Weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back for more. You never know what I'm going to do.